Whoa, I could actually climb up this pole. It would be easy. And now, is the video ended?
No.
Oh, stop. Don't end it.
Okay.
Okay, so now, so me biking back, okay?
Okay.
And don't end the video until I'm getting buckled in, because you're going to take a video of me buckling in too, okay?
Alright, we got plans.
I was going to open the door. So now, watch me buckling up, but first we'll take this. Could you take this off, Daddy?
Sure.
While holding the phone. So, take this thing and pull, and pull, and then, pull this thing over. See this little thing? And this little thing. So you pull a little more string, or whatever this is called, lace, blah blah, whatever. So, cars are for protecting you from the sun and lock me up in this chamber. But see, it was too tight. So I need a little more string and zoom it over to here. And then click, it buckled, it clicked, and then around, and then buckled in. And can I have your, don't push it yet.
Why?
Don't push it yet, the video's not ended. Could you hand me your phone?
You can't see it.
And
it doesn't work that way. That's like only Mommy's phone. So let me hold it.
Ooh,
I'll point it at you. Alright, so wrap it up.
So wait. So now, drive down the road, then next, boring music.